in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide the search box from appearing on your taskbar on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select personalization on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to go about scrolling down and select where it says taskbar. And then where it says search at the top, click the drop down field, and you want to select where it says hide, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.